Hi everyone, welcome back to SK World. Today in this tutorial we are going to explore one of the most important concept in Behave hooks. Hooks are special functions that allow us to run setup and tear down code before and after our test. So let's begin. Create a new file. Right click on features, new, and then click on Python file. Enter file name here, environment, and then click on Python file. Let's first understand about these hooks. Before all, before all hooks run once before the entire test execution test execution start. This before all hooks runs once before the entire test execution start. Suppose before starting test you need to open the browser. So here we can use before all hook. And second hook, after all. Open, for example, open browser. Before test execution we need to open browser. So we can use before all. After all hook run once after all the tests are finished. This after all run execution all the test finished. Suppose you want to close the browsers after all test execution. You can close browser. First, you'll understand about these hooks. Then practically I will show you how we can use these hooks. Before scenario. Before scenario. Before scenario runs before each test scenario. This will be run before each test scenario. In real life, we have multiple scenario. So we can run this before each test scenario, and after scenario, suppose if we want to capture a screenshot of failed scenario, so we can use after scenario. Now import Webdriver environment.py. First import in this file Webdriver from Selenium. Import Webdriver and use hook here before all. Def before underscore all context print test execution started. Test execution started. And initialize Webdriver context dot browser is equal to Webdriver dot. Here multiple browsers are available. Click on Chrome, select this browser and maximize the window. Before all test execution, we need to open Chrome browser. So here we use context.browser is equal to webdriver.chrome context.browser.maximize window. maximize window. Now, this will be executed before all the test. Def use here after all. After all, def after underscore all context and close the browser after all test execution. Context dot browser dot wait. Browser dot wait is used for closing the browser and print test finished. Test finished. Now, after all the test execution, we need to close the browser. So here we use context.browser.wait, and third hook is before scenario. Before scenario. Suppose before executing all the scenarios, we need to navigate to the base URL. So we can enter here def before underscore scenario context comma scenario and print start scenario, and we will print scenario name. Scenario and then print scenario name. Scenario dot name. And enter here base URL. Before executing scenario, we need to open base URL. So here we will use base URL context.browser.get and then enter the base URL. This is the base URL. Here, base URL. This before scenario will be execute before all the scenario. Now, next thing we need to do here after scenario. Suppose we want to capture the screenshot of failed scenario. We can use here after scenario. After scenario def after underscore scenario context comma scenario Now, mention condition here if scenario dot status is equal failed. If scenario status is failed, then capture the screenshot. File name is equal to scenario dot name dot replace. We need to use here replace because we need to replace file name of each scenario. First file name and then extension and mention here extension file name, which is .png. For capturing screenshot, we need to define here file name is equal to scenario.name and replace file name context dot browser dot save underscore screenshot and file name. First, capture the screenshot and save this screenshot with file name and print screenshot saved. Let's remove spaces here. We need to remove spaces here. Screenshot saved for failed scenario and then enter file name. File name. Click on this one, file name. Now we can run the test. As you can view here, we defined before all print test execution started and open Chrome browser, maximize the window. After all test execution, close the browser and before scenario, we print scenario name and context dot. This is the base URL. And after scenario, if the test case failed, then capturing the screenshot and save it into a file with this file name. Okay, now we can run the test. For running this test, enter command here behave and then enter this folder name, which is features slash. We want to run this scenario, which is search functionality, verify search result page title. I am on the Wikipedia page. I search for Selenium software. Then the page title should contain Selenium. We are expecting that the page title should be Selenium. In previous tutorial, I have explained in a detail. So you can check this video. Now enter here search dot feature. Now it will only execute this scenario. Enter and test is running. Test execution started. Open browser, navigate to Wikipedia, search here Selenium software. In console we can view, then the page title should contain Selenium. One feature passed, test execution started. Here we can view all the logs here, but in this scenario, a screenshot is not captured. For capturing a screenshot, we need to fail the test case. Here we are expecting that the page title should contain Selenium. So make changes here, enter wrong text here. So the test case will be failed and screenshot will be captured. Now run the test. For running test, enter here behave features slash search dot feature, enter feature file name, which is search dot feature. Run the test. Test is running. Test execution started. Open Chrome browser, navigate to the URL and search Selenium software and then close the browser. Here you can view verify search result title. Screenshot has been captured. We can view here a screenshot because we define here if the test failed, if scenario status failed, then capture the screenshot in PNG format and save this screenshot with scenario name, and the scenario name is verify search result page title. So that's all for today tutorial on behave hooks. before scenario and after scenario. Hooks make your automation framework more structured and reusable by separating setup and cleanup from the actual test steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SK World for more tutorials on behave and automation testing. Also, drop your question in the comment below. I will happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.